Another point is very security, and because we build a firewall like this one, outside the main network there is a smart sandbox. Sandbox is like a machine can automatically test the apps when you want to release on this platform, release on the Achain. So if you want to put a smart contract on this platform, it has to be tested before it released. Another is it's very stable, and the articles can simplify the result of the smart contract execution. And that means on this platform there are two kinds of execution. One is the ACT transaction. It's very simple. From this point to another point is ACT token transfer. Another is smart contract transfer or smart contract execution, because smart contracts are always complicated. So we promote this consensus agreement and add an R letter before this consensus agreement. That means resulted. The resulted means if we use a smart contract transaction, and the R will simplify the transaction record, and that will be for the normal nodes to do their validation. That will make their validation more simple. Another thing is the cache. The cache can like the CPU cache. It ensures the transaction record can flow from the point to the chain will be stable. That means if someone or something like some event like airdrop that will create a lot of records in a certain time. So if with the cache we can cut down their influence to the chain. Another thing is scalable. Scalable means we can build a lot of chain in the future. That means the most important is like this one, the BEP. I will talk about later. The BEP is like a protocol and can release a bridge between different networks and different networks and data source. Something like the third-party source, especially the centralized system data source, we can get it. And with BEP, we can build a bridge or a channel for the data exchange or token exchange. And that will be a big ecosystem for the blockchain. Because today we saw a lot of blockchains in the world, maybe more than 2,000, maybe 3,000, but a lot of them are isolated and independent. But with Achain, we build a protocol to put them together and build a bridge to realize their data transparent. Today, we have used more than the data. Here the data is not the newest. We have more than 2,000, maybe more than 25 crypto exchanges in the world. We have listed all of them, and here is one of them. And the transfer fee is down to 0.01 ACT, so it's very cheap and easy to link to the crypto exchange. So another thing is diverse. Diverse means you have a lot of choice and it's optional. We have Kcash wallet for the mobile, and we have the Windows terminal and the Mac terminal for people to use. And also we have our HTML wallet. It's not really used often, but but it's an option. And last one is customizable. Customizable means we will offer customer self-service for the corporation or some institutes, because we want to build a multi-chain system to satisfy different business demands in the reality. Because a lot of business demand need different performance, different storage architecture. We can customize it and can offer different application layer, different processing layer, and different data layer. And that will be good for the business realization. Okay. So, after the introduction of the Achain advantage, the goal of Achain is to build a boundless reality. So we will build except we build ourselves, the Achain network. We will also build the bridge between the other network and Achain. And also, we will build the bridge between those DApps. Those cloud represents the apps in release on this platform. And we will build a bridge between them and release to realize the data exchange and the token exchange like this. So a lot of people ask about the Achain and the Achain's differences between the Ethereum. So here is two facts. One is about the customer's goal. Customer's service. Just as just mentioned, we can offer a multi-chain system and to satisfy different business. And the Ethereum is only a formulaic model. It's just so people want to put all kinds of smart contracts on Ethereum and make it more slower and slower. But with Achain, we can customize different chains and to offer the platform for different business. Another is a VEP. VEP is a bridge to build a connection between different networks. So the first is we build a multi-chain system. Another thing is we build a bridge between the multi-chain system. So that's the whole thing of Achain. This is our roadmap. We proposed the roadmap last year, and we proposed 3 stages in the roadmap. The roadmap is the first one is singularity. It's a basic network for smart contracts, smart sandbox, and stable and secure. It's basic type. So here we are doing the Galaxy and the Cosmos. The stage 2 is we will offer a BaaS service. BaaS service means blockchain as a service. The blockchain service means, as I just mentioned, we want to build a multi-chain system, and we use it to offer the BaaS system and for different business and build different chains on all different networks. Those different networks are independent, are isolated. So that's our stage 2, Galaxy, to form a different chain system. And stage 3, we will build VEP and interconnected network. Use the VEP to build the bridge and to realize token and data exchange. If people gather a lot of different token or data together, we can realize their event driven. I want to explain the event driven. Like in the communities, there is the rules, and the rules tell people what to do or not to do. If you follow the rule, like the consensus agreement, you will earn your money. But if you don't care about the rule, you will lose. So that means the event drive. So that is a rule and control people what to do or what not to do. That is the final point of the Achain to want to solve. So talk about at this point, I want to show the goal of Achain to build a boundless world. He wants to build the data and token transparent reality. In fact, in stage 3, we will first realize the Achain and the Ethereum transparent, just like ACT and ETH exchange. That will be helpful for the funding, especially the ICO. You can imagine that if you have a lot of ERC20 token or ETH, you can transfer the ACT or ETH very quickly, and you can realize their quick funding. It's just like a simple graph to show how to realize this process. We choose a relay method. Basically, there are 3 methods in the cross-chain communication, and we choose a relay method to realize the data and the data or token exchange between network and another network. And in the future, we will optimize the processing efficiency of this network, because I just mentioned Achain can realize 1,000 TPS right now, but that's not enough. We will realize higher TPS. And another thing is we will build a customized development kit for different developers for convenience and development. Another thing is the cross-chain communication based on the agreement, and of course wallet and the website update. So Achain's view is to build a boundless world like different flowers under the sunshine, and they build very healthy, and they can connect it with a VEP. As I just mentioned, the VEPs are like a protocol to link each together and to realize the transaction between each other. Okay, that's all things I'm just going to talk about today, and thank you for your time. If you have any questions about Achain, and we can talk later. Thank you very much.
네, Achain의 에릭왕 CPO님의 말씀 잘 들었습니다. 다음 시간은 Q&A 시간인데요. Q&A에 앞서서 잠시 공지사항